Showerproof body and Manscaping trimmer. The Body Groom has unique rounded blades that help protect sensitive areas and reach hard-to-reach places. With a unique two-sided design, you can shave or trim any length of hair in all body zones, including the most sensitive ones. This body groomer has 5 adjustable lengths and an ergonomic grip to give you full choices on your style and comfort. This two-sided body groomer can be used wet or dry, giving you the freedom and comfort to choose what best suits your styling needs. With the ergonomic grip, you can trim or shave in any direction, wet or dry, always with the maximum control and precision. Powerful lithium battery, delivering 80 minutes cordless use after 1 hour full charge. Because it is shower-proof, cannot be used while charging. International voltage, 110-220V, includes two-sided premium designed body groomer, worldwide voltage charger. To buy this awesome product from Amazon, just check the link on the description and comment box.